Hello, my name is Jeff and this is Jack, and today we're going to do the barbecue challenge because today is National Barbecue Day.
Yeah, I like some sauces like sweet and tangy.
And I like sweet and spicy sauces because we both compete in different competitions. Okay, we have 12 different sauces, 12 different brands. And there's 3 main styles. There's a vinegar base, there's a mustard base, and there's a tomato base. Ready? Let's go.
Alright.
Number 1's right here.
Alright.
And they're trying the sauces using some chicken nuggets.
I'll give that one a 3.
I'd say 6. I think it was good.
Okay. Number 2.
I want a little spicy.
I like that one. It's a vinegar base. Give it a 6.
5.
Okay. Number 3.
I give it a 5.
I kind of like it, actually. I think 7.
Sweet.
This one tastes funny.
Give that one an 8. I like that one.
4.
Okay. Number 5.
Give that one a 7.
I think 6.
Okay. Number 6.
That's good.
I give that one a 9.
I think the 10.
It's a good sauce.
Yeah.
Y'all want to take a guess on what that one is?
Kraft?
Yeah, that's the one y'all eat that one all the time.
That one's Kraft. Oh,
That's why I knew y'all were gonna give that one high ratings.
We didn't even know it was
Okay.
Kraft.
Here we go, 7.
Number 7.
Right.
I can't believe y'all didn't say what it was. Y'all knew it was familiar though, huh?
Yeah, tasted really familiar. So that one's an 8. That one tastes familiar too.
I'm going to give it a 5.
Alright.
This next one's a mustard base.
You can tell by looking.
It looks like mustard.
It's
This
yellow.
one right
It's
here.
yellow.
It looks like very dark mustard.
So the mustard style is usually comes from North or South Carolina. That's where they like the mustard base at. In the Carolinas.
It does taste like mustard.
It's good. Kind of honey mustard, kind of. Give it a 6.
9. I like it. Wow, I thought we were going to do 9. Alright.
Yeah,
Oh,
number
yeah.
9. Number
Yeah.
9, yeah.
Yeah.
Number 9.
That was a tiny bit.
Jeffrey don't like that one. I can tell by looking
That
on his
one's not
face.
good. Give that one a
I'm going to
1.
give it a 3.
Okay, now we can go for 10.
Yeah.
Yep, number 10.
Alright. It's dark.
Mm. It's real
Good.
sweet. Give that one an 8.
I give it 7. Now, that one's 11.08. This one's liquidy. I don't think that makes sense. Liquidy. Does that make sense? Alright.
Jeffrey don't like. I don't think he likes that one either. Look at his face.
Give it a
1.
2. It has like a sesame flavor.
Last one.
Last one's the charm.
Yes, alright. Here,
We save the best for last.
Alright, let's both do it at the same time. Wait, we're gonna do...
Clink it and sink it.
Click, dang it.
It's good.
Yeah.
Give it an 8.
6.
All right. So y'all want to reveal the one y'all picked was number 1?
Yes.
Yeah.
Number 1, y'all picked the 6th one you taste, number 6,
Okay.
and it was the Kraft Barbecue. Y'all gave it 19 points total.
I thought it would, the Kraft one.
Okay. Second place, we had a tie going on. Y'all picked the Heinz Carolina Mustard Style.
I liked it.
And also the Budweiser, which was number 10 that y'all tasted.
Yeah, buddy.
Those tied for second place. Okay, then at third place, y'all picked number 12, the last one, which was the KC Masterpiece. Okay, then after that, y'all had another tie. It was at 13. Y'all had the Heinz Hawaii Sweet and Smoky, and then it tied with the Heinz Memphis Sweet and Spicy.
A lot of these are made by Heinz. The mustard.
Okay, next y'all had another tie for 12 points. Y'all had the Sweet Baby Ray's. And then you also tied with the Heinz Kansas City Sweet and Smoky. Okay, next at 11 points, you'll have the Stubbs barbecue sauce. Next, with 9 points, y'all had the McDonald's tangy barbecue sauce that they give you with the nuggets. Okay, next, y'all had, with 4 points, y'all had the Bullseye barbecue sauce. And in dead last place was the Corky's barbecue sauce with 3 points.
What?
Yep.
Oh.
Okay, thank you all for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.
Wait, I thought we were going to do some questions.
Oh, okay.
Okay, yeah, I've got some barbecue trivia questions if y'all want to take a stab. Okay,
Yeah.
Jaden wants to ask y'all some questions.
All right.
You know, from the... I forgot what was it. Oh, yeah, the Gummy Bear Challenge. Yeah, I'm here.
Okay, so ask them this one.
How many U.S. households own a barbecue grill?
So do you think it's 10%?
10%, 75%, 60%, or what was it again?
50%?
Or
I
50%.
say 60.
75. I think 75.
Jack's correct. 75% of all households own a grill. And 60% of all grill owners have more than one grill.
So, Jeff was kind of right.
Almost.
Okay. Yeah, ask them this one.
Which president hosted the first BBQ at the White House?
So just let them guess.
Oh.
Take a guess.
Abraham Lincoln.
No.
Kingston Ford?
No.
It was Lyndon B. Johnson.
Okay.
Number
I don't know.
Number 3. Bones from this animal were found during an archaeological dig in the
Czech Republic.
that uncovered the world's oldest barbecue. Is it Brontosaurus, buffalo, woolly mammoth, or hammerhead shark?
Woolly mammoth.
Ding.
Yeah, well... Oh.
Yes. Y'all were both correct.
Yeah.
It was woolly mammoth.
I thought it would be woolly mammoth because ain't
Number
woolly
4.
mammoth.
Who invented the charcoal
briquette.
briquette? Henry Ford,
E.G. Kingsford,
Thomas Edison or
Ellsworth Zoyer.
The last one.
Yes, Ellsworth Zoyer. That's
I
correct.
thought the first one.
All right, good job, guys.
Who won?
I think Jeffrey got more of them right than you did. Good
It's
job,
okay,
though.
buddy. Okay, don't forget to like and subscribe.
To see more videos like this.
See ya. Bye.
Oh, by the way, I cheated on those questions.
Bye.